Unlock the power of vitamin B9, your guide to folate and folic acid. Are you feeling sluggish, experiencing brain fog, or concerned about your overall health? The answer might lie in a tiny but mighty vitamin, vitamin B9, also known as folate or folic acid. Let's dive into why this nutrient is so essential. Vitamin B9 is a water-soluble vitamin vital for numerous bodily functions. It exists in two primary forms: folate, which is naturally found in foods, and folic acid, the synthetic form used in supplements and fortified foods. Folate is the naturally occurring form, while folic acid is man-made. The body processes them differently, which impacts their bioavailability and effectiveness. Vitamin B9 is a cornerstone for DNA synthesis and repair. This means it's crucial for cell growth and division, impacting everything from red blood cell formation to immune function. It plays a critical role in converting homocysteine, an amino acid, into methionine. High homocysteine levels are linked to heart disease, making B9 a heart-healthy nutrient. Vitamin B9 is absolutely essential during pregnancy. It significantly reduces the risk of neural tube defects, serious birth defects of the brain and spinal cord. Adequate folate intake supports healthy fetal development. It ensures proper cell growth and division in the rapidly developing baby. Load up on folate-rich foods. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale are excellent sources. Other great options include legumes, beans, lentils, citrus fruits, avocados, and fortified grains. A varied diet can help you meet your daily folate needs. Folate deficiency can lead to various health problems. Symptoms include fatigue, weakness, headaches, and irritability. Other signs may include difficulty concentrating, mouth sores, and changes in skin, hair, or nail pigmentation. If you suspect a deficiency, consult your doctor. If you struggle to get enough folate from food, consider a folic acid supplement. However, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to determine the appropriate dosage. Excessive folic acid intake can mask a vitamin B12 deficiency. This can lead to neurological damage if left untreated. Certain factors can affect folate absorption. Alcohol consumption and certain medications can interfere with the body's ability to utilize folate. Cooking methods can also impact folate content in food. Steaming or lightly sautéing vegetables helps preserve more folate than boiling. Vitamin B9 is a powerhouse nutrient that supports everything from DNA synthesis to fetal development. By understanding its importance and incorporating folate-rich foods into your diet, you can unlock a wealth of health benefits. Ready to take control of your health? Start by assessing your current folate intake. Consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine if you need a supplement. Then, head to the grocery store and stock up on leafy greens, legumes, and other folate-rich foods. Don't wait. Invest in your well-being today.